fact, this is my friend Jack. He is a great friend to me. Jack is tall with short brown hair and big brown eyes. He has a small nose. Jack is my classmate in school. He is very clever. He works very hard in school. He likes to read books in the library. And he also likes to have two teachers in class. He always does his homework. The teacher think Jack is a wonderful student. All my classmates really like Jack. He is a kind boy to tell funny stories to make children laugh. If he sees somebody on in the playground, Jack will always invite them to play in our game.
Vô lót. Hay vậy ông lấy ta nhắm chui cái gì mà. Giấy có anh giấy.
My name is Ratana.
Yeah, I'm from
I'm from Cambodia.
Yeah, nice to meet
Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Thank you.